You're listening to SMSF Connect podcast on iRadio Live that brings you programs covering a variety of genres under development.
Hello everyone, I am Sonia and you are listening SMSF Connect podcast. Welcome all of you to our program Let's Connect. Today is World Water Day. Wishing a very happy World Water Day to everyone. Without water, there can be no life, and therefore, we must work hard to save water. Water is the engine that drives all other functions. Today, I am going to connect you to Mr. Lalit Mohan Sharma. Mr. Sharma is Principal Scientist, Water Research and Training with SM Sehgal Foundation, Gurgaon. He is Civil Engineering graduate from Jamia Millia Islamia University, New Delhi, Masters in Management and System, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Mr. Lalit has more than 42 years of experience in area of water management, research, technology and infrastructure. Let's hear more from Mr. Sharma on this very special day. Welcome Mr. Sharma to our program Let's Connect.
Thank you, Sonia ji.
Now we don't delay anymore and let's start the program, Lalit ji.
Thank you and welcome all participants, all listeners.
Okay, thank you Lalit ji. So Lalit ji, this year's World Water Day theme is groundwater, making the invisible visible. Please explain to us groundwater's vital role in water and sanitation systems, agriculture, industry, ecosystem and climate change adaptation.
Sonia ji, first let me congratulate IGRC who suggested this topic for this year. And it's a very important theme they have suggested, and this is the need of our, I would say. Making invisible visible. Basically, if we look at the groundwater, because of exploitation, because of climate change, because of many other several reasons, the water in the ground is depleting very fast. At the same time, because of population growth in many areas, it has become a problem for maintaining the ecosystem. When we say ecosystem, it means all living and non-living things are coming into the picture. Water is important for all. Even water is important for even the earth itself.
Yes.
You see, if we keep withdrawing water at very fast rate, there is a possibility of land subsidence. ऐसे बहुत सारे एरियाज हैं जहां पर पानी तेजी से निकालने की वजह से जमीन नीचे धंस गई है. इसके साथ साथ जमीन के अंदर बहुत सारे हमारे माइक्रोबायोलॉजिकल कॉलोनीज होते हैं जो हमारे जमीन की उर्वरकता, द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ सॉइल इज बीइंग मेंटेन्ड बाय दोज माइक्रोबियल कॉलोनीज, एंड इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ humidity or say moisture in the soil, they get vanished. Thirdly, what is the visible, the greenery on the earth is possible only if there is a moisture or humidity in the soil. And this is also because of the subbase flow. जो भी पानी बरसात का हो या रिवर्स का हो, जो ऊपर हम देखते हैं उसके साथ साथ जमीन के अंदर भी उसका एक फ्लो होता है. जब ये फ्लो नीचे चलता है तो उसी की वजह से सॉइल मॉइस्चर बिल्डअप होता है, और यही सॉइल मॉइस्चर जो पौधे जमीन के ऊपर आप देखते हैं उन तक न्यूट्रिशन पहुंचाने के लिए ज़रूरी है. In the absence of any moisture in the soil, it is not possible to take the nutrition from the soil. So it is very important. And if we say making visible the invisible means हम जो depleting ground waters हैं उनको एक तरह से रिचार्ज की बात कर रहे हैं, उनके डिप्लीशन को रोकने की बात कर रहे हैं, और availability of वाटर फॉर ऑल को बढ़ाने की बात कर रहे हैं।
तो ललित जी, जैसे कि अभी जैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है, तो डू यू थिंक कि इसकी वजह से भी ग्राउंड वाटर जो है वो उसका लेवल नीचे जा रहा है?
हाँ, एक्चुअली इसमें सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये है कि जैसे जैसे पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ हो रहा है उसके साथ साथ हमारा लाइफ स्टाइल भी चेंज हो रहा है। यानी कि हमारे पानी की जो ज़रूरतें हैं वो बढ़ती जा रही हैं। डिमांड ऑफ वाटर नॉट ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रोथ इन पॉपुलेशन बट ऑल्सो in the change in lifestyle. Today we are using more water than what we were using yesterday.
Yes.
And we need to be very careful to basically our lifestyle should be such that there is judicious use of water.
There's a need to conserve water.
Yes, there is a need.
Okay. So Lalit ji, you are associated with SM Sehgal Foundation. So tell us about Sehgal Foundation's water management program is making the community aware of the importance of water.
Sure. Sehgal Foundation adopted this water management program since beginning and has been doing a lot. And when Sehgal Foundation talk about water management, Sehgal Foundation talk about all aspects of water management, means majorly demand side and the supply side. So we are making a lot of efforts to create awareness and sensitization among the population we are working for regarding the water conservation, regarding the judicious use of water, and at every step where we use water, we are trying to create a consciousness of judicious use. So that way, once the wastage of water is minimized, recycling of water is taking place, then certainly it will contribute to make the invisible visible.
Right. So Sehgal Foundation is developing any water-related technologies, low cost?
Yes, since beginning Sehgal Foundation has been believing in the innovations. And innovations, always we try to keep it affordable, friendly to the local environment, local conditions and local skills, and based on the locally available materials. Both sides on conservation as well as water quality, we have been developing many innovations. Something like in case of water conservation, we designed very innovative low-cost check dams, low-cost and long-life recharging, artificial recharging shafts. At the same time, if we talk about the drinking water quality side, we have been working on household water treatment systems and innovating systems which are affordable to the poorest of poor and suitable for many priority contaminants like fluoride, for microbial contamination, iron, arsenic, manganese. So all sorts of innovations we are doing.
Okay. So Lalit ji, what are the main barriers according to you that can come in the way of recharging groundwater?
Main barrier recharging the groundwater, if we look at the individual level or a household level, these systems are cost intensive, not that much, but some costs are involved. And because of lack of sensitization and awareness, people think it is not for my individual usage or not for my individual benefit. So people ignore it. Generally people think जो ग्राउंड वाटर है इट्स ए कॉमन पूल, और कॉमन पूल के बारे में ठीक है, मैं अकेला ही क्यों चिंता करूं, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि मैं अगर ग्राउंड वाटर रिचार्ज कर रहा हूं तो सिर्फ मेरे ही काम आएगा। तो एक इस तरह की जो धारणाएं हैं वो बड़ा बैरियर है। देखिए, हम सभी पानी यूज कर रहे हैं, हम सभी का ये कर्तव्य बन जाता है कि हम वापस प्रकृति को पानी दें। और उसका एक ही रास्ता है कि हम जो ग्राउंड वाटर जमीन से पानी निकाल रहे हैं उसको रिप्लेनिश करें। और बहुत आसान तरीक़ों से भी ऐसा किया जा सकता है, कम लागत के तरीक़ों से भी ऐसा किया जा सकता है, और सहगल फाउंडेशन ने ऐसा करके दिखाया है। कई जगह सहगल फाउंडेशन ने जब ग्राउंड वाटर रिचार्जिंग किया है, वो भले ही गांव के स्तर पे है या भले ही घर के स्तर पर है, हमने देखा है कि उससे पानी की उपलब्धता तो बढ़ी है, साथ ही पानी की जो गुणवत्ता है, क्वालिटी ऑफ वाटर हैज़ ऑल्सो बीन इम्प्रूव्ड ए लॉट। सो पहला बैरियर मैंने बताया कि लोगों की जानकारी और उनकी जो एक अपने सोच है उसको बदलने की आवश्यकता है। दूसरा जो बैरियर है वो है कि अगर हम बड़े स्तर पर देखें, अगर गांव के स्तर पर देखें, अभी जैसे प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट ने कैच द रेन एक कैंपेन स्टार्ट किया है। इससे पहले इस तरह के कैंपेन्स उतना जोर नहीं पकड़ पाए, और इस बार ये सरकार ने इसको एक मुहिम बना के जो चलाया है, इस तरह का मुहिम बनाने की आवश्यकता है। तो लोगों को इसके साथ जोड़ना जो था वो एक हमारी कमजोरी रही थी, जो धीरे धीरे अब सरकार भी उसके ऊपर ध्यान दे रही है।
जी। How Sehgal Foundation is working to build the community ownership aspect between the communities?
देखिए, कम्युनिटी ओनरशिप के लिए हम जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स ग्राउंड में इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, तो राइट फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग, इवन इन प्लानिंग स्टेज, वी इन्वॉल्व द कम्युनिटी। सो द community is part of the decision making, what kind of problems they are facing, what kind of solutions are required, how these solutions are being implemented, and how after the project period these are going to sustain. At every step, Sehgal Foundation is involving the community. Sehgal Foundation is building the capacity of these communities or community-based institutions so that they can take care of these projects after the project period and sustain it for a long time.
Like forming water management committees and all.
Yes, these committees are formed, or water user committees are formed. उसके साथ साथ बहुत जगह पे जो सरकारी तंत्र है, आपका पंचायती राज है, उनके साथ भी हम लोग काम करते हैं और उनको भी बहुत सारी ट्रेनिंग्स देते हैं ताकि वो आगे इसको ले जा सकें।
What message would you like to give on this World Water Day?
Yes, मेरा एक बहुत ही छोटा सा मैसेज है। We all should use water judiciously. Wherever possible, we should save water. Wherever possible, we should recycle the water. और उसके साथ साथ whatever we can give back to the nature, we should be thinking for those ways how the water can be given back to the Mother Earth.
Thank you so much, Lalit ji, for sharing the valuable information with us. So we will meet you in the next episode of Let's Connect. Stay tuned to SMSF Connect podcast. Tune in to our podcast channel on iRadio Live. Our podcast is also available on Spotify. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you for being with us. Stay tuned for more. You can also listen to these podcasts on Spotify, Apple, and Google.